Your piano is one of your most valuable possessions. Not only because of its cost, but also the emotional connection that you have with it. And, if your piano suffers damage during the move, that can lead to extremely expensive repairs. Pianos are commonly the hardest items to move due to the weight, size, sensitive mechanism, and unusual shape. In addition, there are many obstacles such as narrow door frames, hallways and difficult turns to maneuver. Therefore, moving a piano requires a very specific skill set that involves agility and strength combined with an extensive knowledge of different piano models and styles including grand pianos, baby grand pianos, upright and player pianos. At Fort Bend Music Center our movers have the knowledge and experience to move your piano safely. In addition to our premium moving services, we also offer climate-controlled storage service in case you need to store your piano for either a short or long-term period. We have over 35 years of experience in moving and caring for pianos. So, when you need to have a piano moved, call Fort Bend Music Center. Fort Bend Music Center 281-494-5885.